In this video, let us understand how to make apartment visitor management and web application project. In this video, we will show how we can create this dynamic website in ASP.NET with C# and backend SQL Server. We know in large apartment there are thousands of houses. Who comes in, who goes out as a visitor, we need to track. Because in apartment safety is the main criteria, therefore they need to manage who comes, for whom they want to visit, and what time they come, what them go out. All they need to be managed, and if possible, we need to give a provision to all the owners to access this. In order to do this, we require a dynamic website. Let's see that how we can make this website and what are the options we need to provide in this project. If you are doing a computer science course and you need to do a project, I think this is a suitable title you can choose for, or else you can visit our channel and check for other videos too, where we have many project videos. Now let us discuss about this project. So in apartments there may be hundreds, thousands of flats actually. So now who are the users who want to visit the particular owner or particular flat? They need to have a registration system. So therefore it's a web application. So here you can provide two modules. One is admin module and one is the employee module, where employee will check and send to the visitors inside, and he'll logs the details, and when they go out he'll enter all the details. So now to manage this, we have admin. Admin can log in. He can go to main page. So there you can provide the options. What are the apartment detail, flat detail, next employee details, visitor details, then the visitor log. Log is what time they come, what time they go out. Now employees can log in. They go to main page. Even they can view the list, apartment list. We can see the flat list, then visitor detail. If the new visitor comes, then you can enter this, then visitor in, then visitor out. Then they can also see the report. So these are the options which is needed, and if you make this, so then they can track all the people comes in, goes out, can be recorded. From this you can have a complete track on all the visitors who visited the apartment. So I'll show the demo how the whole concept works. So if you're not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe. Also you can visit our channel and then click on videos. Here you can find many project videos. Watch few more videos, therefore you'll get a complete idea how you can make ASP.NET dynamic website, and you can combine some features from the different projects into one and make it as a bigger project. The many options are very much open. So whatever you feel, you write it in the comment box, therefore it will help us to improve the videos and also bring new videos which suits your requirements. Fine, let's start with Visual Studio now. About this project, here you can see visitor management, and here we have the files. So we have ASPX and CS files. CS file is the coding file and ASPX is the design file. You can see the design. Once you design, the corresponding HTML code will be automatically generated, but C# code we have to write. For example, I want to insert into visitor log, so this is the code we need to write. And here we have a server explorer. If you expand this, if you go to tables, you can see the tables here. Right. Now what we'll do is we'll run the project first. So in order to run this, you have to go and just click on the run button here. So we'll take to the main page now. So here is the first page. Default.axpx is the file name. From here we can go to admin login. Here admin login. So you can see here these are the options which are provided in the admin. Right, so apartment list, what are the apartment's name? So let's say Surya block. So we need to enter the correct data, so therefore we are testing, we are entering some data here. Then block, what are the blocks are there? These are the blocks. Okay, let's create a new block here, our new apartment. Let's say Density Cloud. So let's say 150 houses. So in that we can create the block Density Cloud. We can give code as Density Cloud 1. So and then you can write more about that one, and number of floors, so let's say 25 floors. Save, that's created. Next, floor detail, individual floors. Okay, so here the floor number 1 and the apartment starting number, let's say start from 1001 to 125. Save this. So next you go to house, individual house, and here you can select refresh. So this is the one. Floor you can refresh, then house number, so 101, owner detail. So then mobile number. So we can save this information, so therefore it is saved. So if you go to list, so you can have a different houses here. So we enter the new one here. Then employee list, so employee 01, employee 02. Then visitor list, who are all the visitors. Visitor movement list, so some old data. So now what we can do is we can log in as an employee. So for that you have to copy the main address, go to one more tab, press enter key, employee login. This is EMP01. Right. So now we can see the apartment list, what are the apartments. House list, what are the houses are there. Then visitor detail. So here you need to enter the new visitor detail. So visitor in. So we need to enter their mobile number. So you can check the details, so the details will come here. So then house number 1, reason for visit, okay. So then you can write why you are visiting them. This is friendly visit. Save. Now here you can see that visitor out. So that visitor is get in is not yet been out, so that list is showing there. Visitor list, who are all the visitors. Right, so now if a visitor goes out, so then you can see the list is here. Which visitor is going out, you need to select it, means that visitor goes out. Now we can check for the visitors. So who are all visited, what time goes out, all the details is available over here. Same in admin also, visitor movement list, so you can see that visitor 1, so they comes in, they goes out. So then house number, all the details will be there here. So this is how the visitor management system works. So in the admin we can enter all the main entries. So as a visitor or in the employee, he can manage, he can enter the in out timings, and in case you want, you can change the password too. So these are the options which is required basically, so that is provided over here. Hope you understand the concept. So if you have any doubt, please write it in the comment box. Let me know what you are thinking. So meanwhile, please go to our tutorial, iBlix tutorial channel and subscribe. Also, please suggest your friends who are all doing any computer science course. Definitely very useful for them. Therefore, they can also get the benefit. Thank you.